Hey there, quick question. Do you believe that a simple PDF file could earn you $3,000 a month? Sounds a little crazy, right? But let me tell you something. It's not just possible, it's actually happening every single day, thanks to tools like ChatGPT and Canva. And the best part? You don't need design skills, and you don't need any sales experience. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a bit of creativity. Let's dive in. So how exactly did I go from knowing nothing to building a real digital income stream on Etsy? Let me take you back to where it all started. When I started, I knew absolutely nothing about Etsy, nothing about design, and definitely nothing about selling online. But I had two secret weapons, ChatGPT and Canva. I asked ChatGPT, give me some digital product ideas that could sell on Etsy. It gave me planners, checklists, journals, trackers, simple, practical, and in high demand. Then, I asked it to write the content, from catchy product titles and descriptions to what should go on every single page of the PDF. Once I had my product idea and the content ready, it was time to bring it to life. And for that, I turned to Canva. I opened Canva, picked a ready-made template, tweaked the layout and colors, added the content from ChatGPT, and just like that, I had my first digital product. No Photoshop, no design degree, just drag, drop, and done. I uploaded it to Etsy, and not long after I heard that magical sound. That moment changed everything. It made me believe I could actually do this, for real. That first sale was the turning point. And from there, I knew I had something that worked. But it wouldn't have been possible without the right tools. Let me walk you through the exact toolkit I use to create, design, and sell. I rely on 5 simple but powerful tools. You don't need anything fancy, just these 5. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. This is my creative brain. Tool number 2, Canva. It's my design studio in a browser. Tool number 3, Pinterest and Google Trends. Tool number 4, eRank or Everbee. These tools help me analyze the Etsy marketplace. Number 5 is Etsy itself, the platform where everything comes together. Now that you know the tools, let's connect the dots. Here's my simple, repeatable 5-step system for creating and selling digital products on Etsy. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT for a product idea. Something like 10 planner ideas for students. Pick one idea that's useful, practical, and niche. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write content. Ask it to generate each page, a motivational quote, a mood tracker, weekly goals, layout, habit, tracker, sleep log. It does the heavy lifting, so you don't have to overthink. Step 3. Design your product in Canva. Pick a template or start from scratch. Customize fonts, colors, icons, whatever you need. In less than an hour, you've got something that looks polished and professional. Step 4. Upload to Etsy. Download your PDF. Use Canva to make a clean mock-up. Add your product title and description, written by ChatGPT, of course. Set your price between $5 and $15. Affordable, scalable, repeatable. Step 5. Promote your product, or let Etsy SEO do the work. Optimize your title and tags with keywords. Use Pinterest or Instagram to give it an extra push, and let Etsy's search engine take care of the rest. If you want to know more details about selling on Etsy, check out my next videos. In addition, I have a specialized Etsy course on School, including knowledge about Etsy and a community of experienced sellers. Click the link below to learn more. If this video is helpful, like and subscribe.